Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe and happy at your home. Today, we are just starting the second lecture of linear equations, pair of linear equations. So, now we have seen, in first lecture, we have seen what do you mean by linear equation, how many types of linear equations are there, and elimination method to solve the linear equations. I hope आप लोगों को elimination method clear हुआ होगा. Now, we are studying the substitution method. What do you mean by substitution method? It is again a very simple method for solving the pair of linear equation. चलिए, we are just taking an example. हम इसको example से start करते हैं substitution method. Suppose we are having two equations like 2x plus y is equal to 5, and the second equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. Okay, so this is the given question. That's very simple. Now very first we'll write as it is, as we used to write solution, given that the equations 2x plus y is equal to 5, equation number 1, and 3x minus plus 2y is equal to 8. These are the equations given to you. Okay, now we need to apply the substitution method. So it is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. That's very simple. Now we are writing from equation 1. We are taking equation 1 and we are just taking out the value of any of the variable. किसी भी एक variable की value हम determine करेंगे यहाँ से. So चलिए, very first we are writing 2x plus y is equal to 5. Suppose we need to take the value of x, हमको x का वैल्यू निकालना है. So definitely we'll isolate x के को छोड़ के बाकी जो भी ये सब हम ट्रांसपोर्ट करेंगे. So that 2x is equal to 5 minus this y. This plus y will go here, it will become minus. Now this 2 is in multiplication, so it will go there in division. X is equal to 5 minus y upon 2. This is the value of x what we have received from equation 1. Exactly this value we have received from equation number 1. So that value will put in equation 2. Okay, that is substitution of value of x in the equation number 2. Is it clear? See that on putting value of x in equation 2, इक्वेशन 2 में हम वैल्यू ऑफ x पुट करते हैं. सो इक्वेशन 2 इज 3 टाइम्स द x. इंस्टेड ऑफ x we'll have to write 5 minus y upon 2. Is it clear? Instead of x I have written 5 minus y upon 2 plus 2y is equal to 8. Now it is the simplest solution. Why? Because this is the equation in one variable only. You may see, check the equation. There is only one variable, that is y. y को isolate करेंगे solve करके. So that's very simple. We are taking very first LCM. So LCM will be 2. Here 3 into 5 minus y will be as it is. Plus 2 will be divided by 1. 2 will be multiplied into, that is 2 into 2y is equal to 8. This 2 I will multiply here in 8, and this just solve that. So 3 5s are 15 minus 3y plus 4y is equal to 8 to the 16. So 4 minus 3y, y. This 15 will send there, 16 minus 15. So y will be equal to 1. I don't think there is any doubt. मैं नहीं समझता यहाँ तक कोई भी आपको doubt है. That's very easy. Now the value of 1 will put in this equation. That equation may give as 3. Is it clear? So again we'll write that value of y on putting in 3, equation 3. Is it clear? Value of y we are putting in equation 3. 5 minus y, y means 1. So x is equal to 5 minus 1 upon 2. So x is equal to 4 upon 2. So x is equal to 2. Hence we'll write the answer. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. This is the final answer. Is there any doubt? I don't think there is any doubt in that method. This is the substitution method. That is one of the simplest method that you can solve the question from it. Is there any doubt? Just make pause and note down this fast. इसको note कीजिए. Now we are just watching the second question on the same method. Substitution method पे और questions देखते हैं what more better can be done in the substitution method. Suppose the constants are non-integer. Suppose the constants are decimal numbers. Then how will we solve? Or it may be sometimes the irrational number. चलिए, so देखते हैं. There is one more question. See, suppose now I am writing directly the solution. Given that two equations are given. Okay. What are the equations? 8x plus 5y minus 9. 8x plus 5y minus 9 is equal to 0. And 3x plus 2y. 3x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Equation number 1. Equation number 2. Is there any doubt? That is just the question given. Now we'll write from equation 1. So we are writing from equation 1. From equation 1 what will we get? 8x plus 5y minus 9 is equal to 0. Now we are just determining the value of any of the variable x or y whatsoever. So 8x is equal to minus 5y plus 9. This plus 5y will become minus 5y, minus 9 will become plus 9. That's very easy. So x is equal to minus 5y plus 9 upon 8. This is the value of x that will just give us this we are taking as equation number 3. That's very simple. Is it clear? So now on putting value of x in equation 2. Okay, on putting this value of x in equation 2, that's very simple. अब हम equation number 2 लिख रहे हैं. 3 into x instead of x will put the value, x की जगह पे हम value put करेंगे. Then plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now we are just putting the value minus 5y plus 9 upon 8. Okay. Now we are taking the LCM. सबसे पहले हम LCM लेंगे. So LCM will be 8. Now 3 times minus 5y plus 9 will be as it is, because 8 will be divided by 8. We'll get 1. 1 means no change. Now this 8 will be divided by 1. So we'll get 8. And this 8 will be multiplied in 2y. In similar way, this 8 will be multiplied in 4 is equal to 0. This 8 will be multiplied in 0. We'll just transport it. So we'll get, I am just multiplying. 3 5s are minus 15y plus 9 3s are 27 plus 16y minus 32 is equal to 0. Now 16y minus 15y, y. 27 minus 32 minus 5 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 5. This is the simplest value of y we have determined. See that. It is one of the simplest method that you can check. कितना easy method है. Okay. Now that value of y will put in equation number 3. So on putting value of y in equation 3. So what is that equation 3? X is equal to minus 5 times y. Y is 5 plus 9 upon 8. So it will be minus 25 plus 9 upon 8 minus 25 plus 9 minus 16 upon 8. It is minus 2. So we are writing the final answer x, hence x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5. This is your answer. Do you have any doubt in this? See, check it once. आप check कीजिए पूरा solution. That's very simple, and definitely you can solve it using any question using that substitution method. Do you have any doubt in this? I don't think so. Is it clear? चलिए, if suppose I am just writing a question where the coefficients are rational. Okay, rational in the sense fractional coefficients are given. I am just writing one equation. Okay, we are taking a question where the fractional coefficients of x and y are given. What will we do there? See, एक बात बहुत अच्छी तरह से समझने की कोशिश कीजिए. जनरली आई हैव सीन अ ट्रेंड. मैंने एक ट्रेंड देखा है स्टूडेंट्स में. द स्टूडेंट यूज्ड टू कंसीडर ऑलवेज दैट द नेचुरल नंबर्स आर वेरी इजी. The integers are little difficult than natural numbers, and the non-integers are little difficult than integers. No, all are simple, all are easy. The addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of all the numbers, either it is irrational or it is rational. Rational में भी integer और non-integer सब easy है, बहुत easy है. आप practice कीजिए. Once you will practice the non-integer rational number, it will become very easy for you. Okay, जिसका आप अच्छा practice कर लेंगे वो आपके लिए बहुत easy हो जाएगा. ठीक है? So I hope कि आपको मेरी बात ठीक लगी होगी. चलिए, we are starting a question. We are taking a question. Suppose the equations are given that the equations are 4x plus y by 3. 4x plus y by 3 is equal to 8 by 3. 8 by 3. Equation number 1. Second is x by 2 plus 3y by 4 is equal to minus 5 by 2. This is our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. See, many a student used to think that we will take the LCM of both, we'll just convert it into the integers, non-integer form, and we'll get the solution. Okay, that is also one method, but you can also you can solve easily. Is it clear? Direct solution is also easy as the solution with integer is easy. Is it clear? चलिए हम डायरेक्ट सोल्यूशन कैसे करेंगे. दैट्स अगेन वेरी सिंपल कैलकुलेशंस ऑफ रेशनल नॉन इंटीजर नंबर्स. अगर इंटीजर्स नंबर का कैलकुलेशन करना तो एलसीएम लेके हमको कन्वर्ट करना होगी इक्वेशंस, तो हम विदाउट कन्वर्टिंग क्वेश्चंस सॉल्व करते हैं, है ना. सो चलिए, फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 वेरी फर्स्ट विल राइट फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1. Okay, so what we'll see from equation 1, 4x plus y by 3 is equal to 8 by 3. So 4x is equal to 8 by 3 minus y by 3. Okay, so x will be equal to, we can take LCM and that will be 3, and this 4 will be multiplied in 3, so we'll get 12. 8 minus y by 12. This is the value of x and this is our equation number 3. I don't think there is anyone having any doubt. किसी को भी कोई डाउट होगा यहाँ तक? मुझे नहीं लगता है, बहुत इजी है. अभी हम क्या करेंगे? On putting the value of x, on putting the value of x in equation second. Okay, इक्वेशन फर्स्ट से वैल्यू डिटरमाइन किया, इक्वेशन सेकेंड में पुट करेंगे. फिर से सुनिए, इक्वेशन फर्स्ट से वैल्यू निकालेंगे एक वेरिएबल की, एंड दैट विल बी जस्ट केप्ट इन द इक्वेशन नंबर 2. प्लीज, x by 2. Now x by 2. So 1 by 2 I am writing here and x I am writing here. Okay, x by 2 instead of plus 3y by 4 plus 3y by 4 is equal to minus 5 by 2. That's again very simple. See that x का वैल्यू पुट कर रहा हूँ, that is 8 minus y by 12. So 12 to the 24 it will become 8 minus y plus 3y upon 4 is equal to minus 5 by 2. Now we are taking the LCM 24, है ना. So that 24 will be divided by 24, will get 1, and 1 will be multiplied in 8 minus 5, Now 24 will be divided by 4, will get 6. 6 will be multiplied by 3, y is equal to minus 5 by 2. Is it clear? This 24 will be multiplied in 5, minus 5. Okay. So I am just multiplying by 1, 8 minus y plus 18y is equal to 24 into minus 5 upon 2. So 2 will cancel down, that 24 will be cancelled down by 2 12 times. So this number will become very simple. Now 18 minus y minus 1, 17y is equal to 12 5s are minus 60, and that 8 will be here minus 8. So 17y is equal to minus 68. So y is equal to minus 68 upon 17. Y is equal to minus 4. Is there in doubt? We have determined the value of y, that is minus 4. You may write it like this. So y will be equal to minus 68 by 17, that is minus 4. y का वैल्यू हमने निकाल लिया minus 4. So on putting in equation number 3, okay, on putting in equation 3, equation 3 is x is equal to 8 minus y, x is equal to 8 minus y upon 12, and y is minus 4, so I am writing minus 4 here in bracket. So 8 minus minus plus 4 upon 12, so 12 upon 12, it is 1. So the value of x is 1. Hence we'll write the final answer, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 4. This is the answer. I don't think there is any doubt in this question. That's a very simple question. You can see that this question we solved without changing these non-integer numbers into the integers. Okay, non-integers को integers में change किए बगैर हमने solve किया है. Note down this and okay, again try to solve these kind of questions of the substitution method. But last question again I am solving, which is just having the same kind of constants, but constants तो है उसमें coefficients, लेकिन constants थोड़ा सा different type के constants हैं. Arbitrary constant का presence वाला question, arbitrary constant in the sense where the question must have the A, B, C kind of numbers. Numbers की जगह अगर questions में A, B, C आ रहा है, so how will we solve? That's very easy. Again, बहुत easy question है, सिर्फ हमको calculations ध्यान रखना है थोड़ी सी. Suppose the question is ax plus by given. Given that exactly the given equation is, see, ax upon b minus by upon a is equal to a plus b. This is one equation, and the another equation is ax minus by is equal to 2ab. ax minus by is equal to 2ab. These are the equations. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Now here the second equation is appearing easy. ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये आसान है क्योंकि यहाँ पे नंबर्स कम हैं. चलिए सेकेंड इक्वेशन से स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 2, इक्वेशन 2 से अब हम एक वैल्यू का वैल्यू डिटरमाइन, एक वेरिएबल का वैल्यू डिटरमाइन करेंगे. सो माइनस बी वाई वी आर सेंडिंग देयर. सो ए एक्स विल बिकम बी वाई प्लस 2ab और x will become by plus 2ab upon a. This is the value of x. Okay, so on putting the value of x, on putting value of x in equation 1, अभी हमने equation 2 से वैल्यू डिटरमाइन किया है तो we'll put in equation number 1. चलिए, so a upon b, instead of x we'll put by plus 2ab upon a minus by upon a is equal to a plus b. Is it clear? That's very simple. Now this a will cancel down by a. So what will we get is by, here I am putting the value, by plus 2ab upon b, okay, and minus by upon a is equal to a plus b. It is the simplest question, okay. Now either you can take LCM or you can cancel down the b also. If suppose from here you are taking b common, so y plus 2a will remain upon b, okay, minus by upon a is equal to a plus b. This b will cancel down by b, will यहाँ 1 आ जाएगा. We'll take LCM, that will be a. So ay plus 2a square minus by is equal to a plus b. So now this a will multiply there. So this will become ay minus by is equal to a square plus ab. And this 2a square will become minus 2a square by coming here. Is it clear? ay minus by यहाँ है. This 2a square will send there by multiplying with a. पहले a से multiply करेंगे a plus b को. So this will become a square plus ab minus 2a square. So y we are taking common, a minus b will be there. A square minus 2a square minus a square will remain, minus a square. ये a minus b से डिवाइड करेंगे तो y will be equal to, यहाँ a कॉमन लेते हैं तो b minus a will be there and here a minus b. So this a minus b and b minus a are same quantity. अगर हम इसको कैंसिल करते हैं तो यहाँ पे बचेगा -1, okay, and the value of y will be -a. Is there any doubt? Do you have any doubt in this? बताइए आपको कोई भी डाउट है इसमें? नहीं है. बहुत सिंपल सोल्यूशन है, बहुत सिंपल सोल्यूशन है. देखिए वी आर जस्ट पुटिंग हियर द वैल्यू ऑफ y. अगर वैल्यू ऑफ y पुट करते हैं तो देखिए क्या आएगा वैल्यू ऑफ x. आई एम जस्ट डूइंग हियर, आई थिंक यहाँ स्पेस है या यहाँ मैं स्पेस यूज कर लेता हूँ. x इज इक्वल टू b इंटू वाई. वाई इज माइनस, सो माइनस ए बी इट विल बी. y माइनस ए आएगा तो माइनस ए बी प्लस 2ab अपॉन a. So 2ab minus ab upon a. A is cancelled down by a, it is b. So x is equal to b and y is equal to minus of a. This is your final answer. See, it is the simplest question. Exactly. बहुत आसान क्वेश्चन है. यहाँ पे हमारे पास नंबर्स नहीं है, कोफिशिएंट्स जो हैं वो कांस्टेंट्स हैं जो कि एग्जैक्टली ए बी के फॉर्म में है. दीज आर कॉल्ड द आर्बिट्रेरी कांस्टेंट्स. इनको आर्बिट्रेरी कांस्टेंट्स कहते हैं. पॉज करके नोट कर लिया होगा आपने. दैट इज ऑल इन द सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड. सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड में इतना आपने किया, दैट इज ऑल. इज इट क्लियर? अब हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में देखेंगे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड. इज इट क्लियर? दैट इज ऑल फॉर टुडे. प्लीज सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस यूजिंग द सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड को यूज करके आप क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कीजिए. समझ में आया? आई होप यू आर सॉल्विंग द क्वेश्चंस एट होम. मुझे लग रहा है कि आप क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर रहे होंगे. इफ यू आर नॉट गेटिंग द क्वेश्चन देन प्लीज इस वीडियो के बॉक्स में जाके, कमेंट बॉक्स में जाके कमेंट कीजिए. मेरा कॉन्टेक्ट नंबर लीजिए, व्हाट्सएप कीजिए एंड प्लीज टेक द वर्कशीट्स लीजिए और सॉल्व कीजिए. इज इट क्लियर? दैट्स वेरी इजी. परफेक्ट प्रैक्टिस मेक्स एवरीवन परफेक्ट इन मैथमेटिक्स. मैथमेटिक्स में परफेक्ट प्रैक्टिस होना बहुत जरूरी है. इफ यू आर डूइंग परफेक्ट प्रैक्टिस definitely you will get perfect. Perfect practice makes everyone perfect. Is it clear? All the best. Have a nice day.